Hello, welcome to the Center for Teaching Excellence video on how to create a weighted total or percentage-based gradebook in Blackboard. So if your gradebook looks like this on the right hand side, essentially all of your students' grades are a percentage base, so that equals up to 100%. This video is for you. On the left hand side of the screen, this is a basic total points grading scale where everything has a particular point and eventually it all equals up to 100 points for a perfect student. So this video focuses solely on weighted total gradebooks. So you'll log in to your Blackboard site, find a course that you'd like to work on the right side for this particular semester. Then from here you want to scroll down to Control Panel on the left side, find Grade Center, click on Grade Center, then Full Grade Center. And this is default how your Blackboard gradebook will look. Last name, first name, username, student ID, lacks access, availability, and total. It's based on the total point system. However, you want to create a weighted total system where essentially it's percentage base. So you're going to go to Create Calculated Column, then go to Weighted Column. Type in something that you are familiar with, maybe total grade for the particular student. Scroll down, then what you want to do is, these are your categories. So these categories are essentially these categories: exams, quizzes, homework, class participation. These are the default categories created by Blackboard. I can create another video on how to specifically make categories that would be specific to your particular classes in another video. But a common assignment or test, so tests are worth 50% in this hypothetical course. And when I type in 50%, it shows up here on the weight total percentage. So we still need 50% more of categories inputted into the system. So we'll go class discussion. We'll make that worth 25%. And we'll have assignment. That can be quizzes or that could be homeworks, and we'll make that 25%. And now our total weight is 100%. Scroll down and click Submit. So now this is the new grade column we just created. Anything new created in the Grade Center always appears on the far right. But we want this to be the main grade column of total grades. So what we have to select is the More Options button, and then we need to select it as Set as External Grade. And now we can go over here to this original default total grade column, click on the More Options button, then click Delete Column. And now that's deleted. So this is the grade column. Now we need to create our various assignment grade columns. So remember, we had assignment, discussion, and test. Those were the three categories. So go to Create Column, type in test, or whatever assignment you'd like. Type in points possible. This number can be whatever number you'd like. We'll go just a generic 100, but the category needs to be selected. So make sure you select this down selection screen. Go to Test, and now click Submit. And now this test is created. So maybe we only have one final exam test, but we have a handful of homework. So assignment 1, 100 points possible, but make sure you select this and then click Assignment. Now when you go to enter grades under this column for the particular student, Blackboard will multiply that particular grade for that particular assignment by 25%, and this grade will be reflected in the total grade column. So we'll make another grade column, assignment, grade column, and we had discussion. maybe discussion 1 or discussion 1 for the particular class, the first day of class. Make sure to go here, the category, select discussion and points possible. Each discussion is worth 10 points. Again, you can make this number as high or as low as you'd like. Click submit. And now this discussion 1 is created. So anytime you put grades in the grade column at the bottom of this particular column, as you enter grades throughout the semester, it'll multiply the particular grade that this student earned by 25%, and it'll be reflected in this grade column. And these are the steps in order to build a weighted total gradebook. Thank you. Have a great day.